Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2015 Mercedes A-Class. So from any screen you can see there you've got Navi, audio, telephone and system up there. So if we click this selector forward till the top menu bar is highlighted, rotate the selector till you get to Navi, click on Navi. As you can see there, you've got just the map. If we click again and then scroll up to enter destination, if you click again that brings the next menu up, and we need to enter the address again. We'll turn this down here, enter address, select, and that's the postcode there. You've got street, intersection, places of interest and start guidance at the bottom. That's we'll highlight postcode and then turn. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. We need to go down to numbers now. Just click backwards down towards you and that goes to the numbers. So PR5, 4, go back up to the letters, J, S, Preston PR5 4JS, that's us, so we select. We can put a street in or we can just go down to start guidance. Fast route's been calculated.
The route has been calculated.
That's it done.